How to get dark mode on Instagram Threads app. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to get dark mode on Instagram Threads app. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Threads application on device and then sign into your account. Tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Tap three-line icon or two-line icon at top right corner of the screen to access settings section. Scroll down. Look for the option for appearance. As you can see, we don't get that option directly from the settings page. So a trick to apply is simply exit from Threads and launch settings application on your device. Tap display and brightness. At top you will see currently it has been set to light mode. Choose dark mode and enable dark mode on your device. Exit from settings and when you launch Threads, you can see that we have successfully enabled or get the dark mode on Instagram Threads app. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.